Becca, and welcome to my studio. Here in Pennsylvania, we've been in the midst of quite a heat wave. It has been close to 100 degrees Fahrenheit every day for the past week. But one of the things that I have been super grateful for is that we've also had a summer breeze. The humidity hasn't been terrible, and we've had a nice little breeze to keep it just bearable. So, in honor of the breeze that I'm so grateful that we've had, I named today's painting Summer Breeze. This painting reminds me so much of the summertime because of the soft teal background that reminds me of the Caribbean Ocean. And then the Prussian blues mixing with the yellows and the golds reminds me of the deep sea and the sand and the sunshine. I used Olga Sobey's pouring medium to create this painting. In the process video, I will show you which colors I mixed with which pouring medium and how it helped me to get the results that I got. Personally, I am a fan of more flow and less cells, so I tend to use a lot of the group 2 pouring medium. In this painting, I really love the flow here, where the white mixes with the teals. I love the flow through here. Prussian blue is one of my favorite colors, and it mixes so beautifully with whites and with teals. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend you give it a shot. I've got some really beautiful, delicate cells up here in the corner that are mixed with the Prussian blue and the gold to create these beautiful cells. I also have a cluster of cells down here at the bottom in this petal. And I think that the cells down here and the delicate cells up here, along with the cells up here in this corner, really help to create balance in this painting. Okay, let's get started. The first step is always laying down the base. The base color is a combination of Liquitex teal, and the gray is just a custom mix that I had sitting around left over from another painting. Honestly, it's a little bit dangerous to mix different brands of paint into one mixture because you never really know what you're going to get, but I got lucky here and the base worked out just fine. I did put down too much base here, and you can see that I had to take the blow dryer and really push it over the edges. I do have a calculator on my website if you're looking to try to figure out how much base paint you need for a particular size canvas. If you go to my website, which is beccaharkins.com, there's a pop-up. You can put your name and email address in there, and I will send you that base coat cheat sheet or calculator that I made up. This is just based on my own experience, how much paint I find that I need for a particular canvas. But like I said, in this case, I did put down more than I needed, and I ended up having to blow some off. The first pour color that I'm laying down here is titanium white. I laid it down, and then I did go back and add more later because I wanted some more white. I love the way that the white mixes with the teals and the blues. Over here in the corner, I have some group 1 Liquitex Gold and some titanium white. I was hoping to get some interesting cells as I swiped the white group 2 over the gold group 1, but it didn't really work out that way, and it probably has a lot to do with the mixture of colors that I have in the base paint. You can see I just kind of let it sit there for a while because I wanted to see how it was going to develop as I blew out the other colors, but later on in this painting you'll see that I come and pretty much swipe out most of that gold and white section because it just didn't feel like it really fit with the rest of the painting. The next color that I'm laying down here is Prussian Blue. Prussian Blue is very transparent and it is made by Amsterdam. I'm laying it over the Amsterdam titanium white, which is completely opaque. So as the transparent blue lays over the opaque white, it's going to create a whole host of beautiful shades of that Prussian blue. There's going to be lighter areas, there's going to be darker areas, and they will flow in and out of one another. And wait till you see, especially mixed with the gold, it is just stunning. This is the only group 1 color that I'm adding into this painting, and you can see I'm adding just tiny little dots here and there. This is Liquitex Gold, and I am intending to get cells in particular areas, which is why I'm laying it down very sparingly. I'll just say that. On top of that, I am coming in with this custom mix of a yellow, I think it's a primary yellow mixed with titanium white, probably just a small amount of yellow and a lot of white. It's a color that I had sitting around, and as I was picking out a color scheme to put together, I just was like, this will be really pretty in here. On top of everything, I am adding a healthy amount of Amsterdam Deep Gold mixed with Olga's Group 2 recipe. I love the way these colors flow and mix with the Prussian Blue. So before I say anything else, let's go ahead and blow it out and you can see what I'm talking about. I do get a lot of questions about how I do my finger swipes, and I have another video where I go into detail on that. So I'll drop the link up here in the corner, and if you'd like to check out how I do my finger swipes, I think this video will be very helpful.